Welcome back to Dat Build. Today is just a brief going over of where we're at with Porsche build. It is still progressing, so do stay tuned. I have not forgotten about it, I have not given up on it. Life tends to throw you a lot of curveballs, and for me, I've certainly had a few in these past couple of months. So it's always a factor of family comes first, projects come later. So in this situation, I've had to put this in the back burner, but I am getting back to it. Been slowly doing small things in the background. So I had to wait for my bars to get drilled. They're all done now. I'm literally just about to start recording another episode. But what's going to happen in the future, moving forward, because I am getting into more of the smaller nitty-gritty sort of things, episodes will not be as consistent in coming out as a weekly basis. I want to try and actually do a bit more for a particular episode. So the idea I have in mind for this upcoming one will be more or less getting the round tube into the square bars here. So more or less cut all them up, weld those in, then go about mounting this, drilling these holes, and then getting this actually mounted onto the chassis. So I'm going to be doing slightly bigger batches as opposed to the smaller stuff, and more or less making a 2 or 3 parter of it, just reflecting over my past couple of, well, all of the episodes really, just seeing where it was at. So yeah, moving forward, these won't be as consistent in weekly basis. I'll be pumping out, hopefully, if I get time, other episodes in between with the Bug, the Abarth, and a lot of the other cars I've got. So depending on where I go with those, I've got a few mods I did for the Bug, for the Abarth, and the Bug will have a few more upcoming. I've got a few extra things. I will be doing a reveal of some replacement wheels very soon, and yeah, suspension review of the max speeding rods, update with regards to the knocking if you are following that series anyway. But yeah, as said, Porsche build is going on. I'm just about to crack on with the new one, so do stay tuned, do appreciate all the subscribers, everything like that. But yeah, until next time, like, subscribe, comment below, etc. This has been Dat Build, now getting back to it, so get back to your build also. Until next time, cheers.